Hello everyone, welcome to my online presentation for KSP1171 chess course. I will briefly explain about some of the chess rules during this presentation. My name is Chueng. I'm currently studying in ENE and currently live with a family of 4 in Ipoh, Perak. As for my experience and history in chess, I basically learned a few basic rules since middle school and some very basic theories a few months prior. Due to COVID-19, I started to take interest in online chess and wanted to try and learn more about it myself. First of all, we are going to shortly explain about the difference of time controls in terms of rules and regulations. So basically, there are a total of 4 types of time control: standard, rapid, blitz, and bullet. But we are only going to talk about the first 3. The time format is usually displayed with an X vertical dash and a Y. For a standard or classical, it is usually in 90 minutes for 40 moves. However, in the case of FIDE World Championship, it extends to 2 hours for 40 moves instead, together with an overtime. And for rapid time control, the time is set between 15 and 30 minutes, while the current FIDE's rapid standard is 15 minutes with a 10-second time increment per move. Lastly, for blitz, there is a maximum of 5 minutes and a minimum of 3 minutes, and any time less than that will be counted as a bullet. In FIDE's case, they gave a 3 minute with a 2-second time increment for every move. And next, I am going to explain the touch move rules in chess. So in summary, if a player touch a piece with the intention of moving it during their turn, they must move it if it is the player's piece. If it is an opponent's piece they touched, it must be captured, or else if there is no legal move, the game will continue. For example, in the case of castling, the FIDE's rule stated that the king piece has to move first and the rook second for castling, or else the rook must make a legal move. In addition, a king piece that moves over 2 squares must complete a castling, or else the king must make a legal move as well. Finally, I will be explaining the difference between a checkmate and a stalemate. So by definition, checkmate is when a king is in check and cannot resolve it during his turn. Then the king will become as checkmate, and that player will lose the game. You can see that the black king here has no way to avoid check from the white queen here. However, stalemate is when a king that is not checked but does not have any legal move to make without checking himself in his turn. Then the third game is considered a draw instead. From the board here, the black king had nowhere to move when it is his turn without checking himself. And that is all for my video presentation. Thank you for watching.